Hello friends, I am Sharnamaji. Today I want to tell you a small paragraph about an autobiography of a broken bicycle. Let's start. I am an unused broken bicycle. At present, I am dumped in a dark garage. I am 10 years old. In my early days, I was shiny and attractive. I am blue in color. I came into this house as a gift for a 6-year-old boy. My young master took good care of me. He rode on me every day. I could run very fast. My young master liked me very much. With the passing years, I grew defects and rust. My young master stopped liking me. One day, another brand new motorbike appeared, so I got rejected. Now I lie in the dark garage all the time, waiting to be sold out as a scrap material.